Hello everybody, and welcome to the latest update to the Survive pre-alpha. In this update, I'm just going to do a gameplay video and then talk about some of the new features I worked on this week. The first thing you probably noticed is that zombies now sprint towards you. I added a simple test sprint animation to show this gameplay in action. I also added a simple AI so that zombies can detect you if you're in their field of vision, or if you get too close to them, even if you're behind them, or if they hear your gun sound. See, they all turn around when I shot the gun. Right now, this is the gun sound range isn't far enough, because normally if you shoot a gun, a zombie pretty far away will be able to hear it, but because you only have one gun, it's not really fair to make this loud-ass gun attract every zombie in the area when there's no quieter alternatives. There are still a few problems, obviously, like all the zombies are the same skin of just Carl, and obviously that's going to be fixed later, but it's not a high priority because seeing different skins for the zombie isn't really helping with gameplay at all. Also, the zombies still kind of feel out of place in the world. I think that's mostly due to the lack of sound. When they get footstep sounds, and then when they scream when they see you, and then they yell while they're running, and they'll feel a lot more in place. Also, the zombies don't have attack animations yet, so when they get close, they just run in place. I can't show that right now because I'll die, but I'm pretty sure you've seen it. They also need to make sounds when they're behind you so they don't just sneak up on you, which is what just happened there. What else? Oh yeah, also in future updates, the zombies will react to all sounds. Oh, that was close. Shouldn't fly up so I don't die. But zombies will react to all sounds from boxes, so if you drop a box and it makes a sound, the zombies will hear it and then go investigate, and then based on how far away they are from that sound, they will know exactly where the sound came from, or know a general area of the sound. That'll also be used for the gun sounds and everything else in the game. Oh yeah, if I disable the vegetation, I can show you the new animation stuff and AI stuff I worked on. So if I enable the debug view, you can see some stuff here. The blue lines are just the previous target directions that the zombies were trying to get to. And then for the wander state, it just updates random circles. So there's a circle in front of the zombie and it just picks a random point on it and then tries to go to it. And you can see this produces really random wander around the world behavior. And you can see these green lines I added, they just show the path the zombie went on. So I used it to debug the wander animations to make sure they were actually wandering around randomly and not just walking in straight lines and stuff. I also worked on a lot on the animation system, so that as you already see, they blend smoothly from the idle walk around animation to the sprint attack animation. And then when you get away, or if I press this cheat button, they just blend straight back to the idle. I also did a motion extraction, so if I get in close here, you can see that there's little to no foot sliding, and all the foot sliding is coming from the animation itself. So these actually feel like they're supposed to be in the game, these zombies. A little dark, so it's harder to see, but right now I'm just holding down a button that lets them not want to attack me, so I can show you this, but normally they would be all over me. This is not perfect, but it'll be improved in future updates also. And if I show the running animation, you can see the red line is the zombie's velocity, and it gets longer and shorter as the animation plays, and that's just showing that each frame the zombie moves forward at a different speed so that the foot placement is correct around the world. And you can see the blue line is actually where the player is now instead of random points in the world. So I think that's it for this update, but in the next update I'm most likely going to do less on the actual game and then work on getting a new test scene, which will be used in the future because this one's getting kind of old. It's been in a lot of videos now. The plan is a snowy mountain with a road going through the middle of it with a forest, and you'll hopefully see that in the next video if I can get it done. And I'll also try to get the oh, I forgot to mention that all these zombies aren't being culled at all, and even the ones that are way off in the distance are still being rendered in full detail. So probably in the next update I will work on culling these, as in not rendering them when they're on the screen, because right now there's only a few on the screen, but there's a bunch behind me that are still getting rendered, which is wasting a ton of performance. So in the next update I'll do the culling system and the level of detail system so that there can be not just zombies over here but all over this world, and a lot more of them. And that's probably all that's going to be in the next update. And oh yeah, I did notice that the text got replaced by a rock texture for some reason when I turned the debug on, and I'll try to fix that in the next update too. I just now noticed that. So that's it for this update, and thanks for watching. If your pre-order survived, you can download this build of the game right now. To pre-order and follow the development blog, go to subsurfacegames.com. For more frequent development news, you can like the Facebook page, facebook.com/subsurfacegames, and you can follow me on Twitter @subsurfacegames.